I'm super excited guys for today's video. It's a really special one, and as you might have figured out behind me, I'm driving through Mumbai airport. But sorry to disappoint you guys, I'm not traveling anywhere, I'm not taking a flight anywhere. All I'm doing is passing by the airport because it's a quick way, and I'm actually seeing this airport after 7 months guys. I mean it's really special for me. I don't know when I'll be able to actually use the airport, but for now I'm just driving past to go to my destination. So what am I doing today, and what is today's video about? I am for the first time in 7 months actually going to spend some time in a hotel. Like I used to spend like literally several nights every month in hotel rooms because I used to travel so much, and now of course all those perks have gone. And finally, as things are slowing up, the guys at JW, Marriott, Mumbai, Sahar have asked me to come in for a one-day staycation, and so I accepted. I have no company, so I've just brought my books and my laptop and my Netflix. I'm going to check into the hotel, spend the night. It's Friday, I don't have a lot of work to do, so I'm just going to chill at the hotel and kind of just take it easy. And yep, that's pretty much it. I mean, that's all I can say is that I'm really excited to see what the inside of a hotel looks like after so long. Oh my god, what's it like to be in a hotel room, just have a bath, like a long tub bath, sit curl up in that bed, have a coffee, have a good in-room dining experience. Yep, I'm very excited for that. I'm going to actually turn off the camera now, because once I go in, I'm going to also show you what the hotel's been doing to sanitize the rooms, and like what's the whole experience like when you actually check into a hotel these days. What's the new normal checking into a hotel? What are the contactless procedures, if there's any? I'm trying to figure out my way also while I speak to you guys on this video. Yeah, I figured it out. Just a bit of these roads are a bit tricky. I have to get this U-turn anyway, so let's go in. I'm going to check in shortly and catch you on the other side. Okay, so the first thing is that they don't really let you into the hotel. The gates are all locked, so only if your name is on the list. So I had to actually tell them that what my name was, and they said that they were expecting me, and only then do they open the gates. It feels really surreal to be actually driving into a hotel right now. So before checking into the hotel, I've actually had to put my bags onto this sanitizer, and he's sanitizing my luggage right here. I'm not sure if you can hear me with all this. So you place your bag on a little table and he's sanitizing it with this object. So this is the next step before checking into the hotel. So there's a temperature control. There's a temperature check. Okay, so let's get myself temperature checked.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. Then of course, this is something that one recognizes from earlier times. So this is what the experience was like guys, even before I could step into the hotel. So I've had my bag sanitized, I've had my temperature checked, my hands sanitized, and even for the car. So they actually ask you whether you're comfortable giving your car in the valet or whether you want to park it myself. Since I've already got all my sanitization equipment inside, I let him do it for me. But I think that's a really nice touch to give that option. And I haven't really gone into the hotel yet, so now let's go in and check what the procedure is like. Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, namaste.
We have everything ready.
I have just entered the hotel, so the lobby is completely deserted. So every time I've come to this lobby, I come to this hotel a lot. So every time I come to the lobby, it's packed and there's so much action going on. It's so much fun. And as you can see, there are very few people inside. So I'm going to check in right now. So let's have a look at the check-in desk. Okay, namaskar. So there's a passport scanner here. There's this big barrier right here. Okay. Keep used pens. Okay. So these are the used pens, right? Excuse me. These are the used pens. So you get a fresh pen in there and then you leave it here. What is this? You drop your key in the sanitization. There's sanitizer here. Okay, that's really nice. There's also this self-declaration forms. So I need to fill in my name, where I'm from, contact number, traveling from, and of course all these symptoms. Do you suffer from fever, chills? No. Shortness of breath? No. Sore throat? No. Cough? No, no, no. Okay, so this is a health declaration. Okay, so I just signed this, and now I'm going to leave the pen in here, right? Because I've used the pen, so I'm going to leave the pen in here. Okay, so as you can see, there's this big bell around here. It rings every half an hour, so this is like a kind of inside message. So every time it rings, every half an hour, everyone around here goes and washes their hands, and a sanitization process begins. Okay, let's do this. After 7 months, let's enter the hotel room. Oh, it looks beautiful. It's finally time to get into the room. And I've got the suite actually today. So there's the bedroom and there's the living room area and a nice big dining table. Okay, let me show you the sense of space that there is. So this is really good for long stay guests because there's a little kitchenette with the cooker and everything. Show you what, I don't have my jacket, otherwise I'd be hanging my jacket and my little accessories here. Oh my god, Nespresso machine after so long. I'm so happy. Yes, yes, yes. There's a nice little terrace outside. Show you. It's too hot to go out there right now. Let me possibly try and go there in the evening. I'm going to show you what these guys have kept prepared for me. So they've like little macarons and little snacks and chocolates. Okay. There's a cake which says welcome you back, and the cake has my lettering on it. Isn't that sweet? Oh my god. Look at that. And a nice little printout paper which says leading influencers Riaan George. Thank you. Let me go, guys, take you to the bedroom. It's nice for me to give it a nice wide view like this. The bedroom, and the highlight, there's a nice bathtub right here. There I am, guys. What's up? Yay, I've lost a few kilos. I'm really excited because I'm losing weight. As you can see, I am very, very, very excited because after 7 months of being trapped at home, I'm finally in a hotel room, even if it's for just one night, but it feels so good. Guys, this is where I'm going to be spending the rest of my evening, curled up in bed. I'm going to take a long afternoon nap, so yeah. Turn on the music. There's a nice Bluetooth speaker here. Comfy couch. This feels so good, guys. Okay. Time to actually go for lunch. Okay, so I have checked into my room and settled into my room, and I have come for lunch. I'm coming for lunch to the coffee shop which is open. The other restaurants in the hotel are not open, but as you can see, this is the lobby. Just how deserted it is. So there are guests with very limited occupancy. There are guests in the hotel, but it seems very deserted because everybody is keeping social distance. And I have to tell you that it's a really strange sensation for me to be back at a hotel. I'm really excited, and yeah, I'm gonna go and enjoy a lovely lunch with my friend. So I'm actually coming here for lunch. Namaste. So before you enter the restaurant, you need to get your hands sanitized. You need to do a quick temperature check as usual. Guys, some of you might have recognized the JW Cafe behind me. I have come here for many brunches and I've posted a lot of content from here. And this is what it looks like right now. There is no one. There are just a few guests like dining. The tables have been spaced apart, as you can see. They have all been missing. But I have fond memories of coming here and spending some really fun brunches here with musicians here and children running around. And these are strange times, but I'm really happy to see that things are resuming and I'm able to dine in a restaurant again. I'm gonna go and have some nice lunch. So I've been spending the day in the hotel, just chilling in my room, enjoying the perks of the room. But you know, I haven't had the day off from my French class. I still have my French class on in the evening, so I just finished that. I conducted it here in the dining room and I'm waiting to chill out and enjoy the rest of my evening out there. My friend Ritu is actually coming over because we are doing a nice Italian dinner tonight. Chef Roberto is cooking up a nice Italian meal dinner from us from Romano's, a lovely Italian restaurant here. So hopefully he's gonna set it up here. Once I'm done with this, I'm gonna close the laptop and move it out, and I'm gonna go in for a nice hot shower. And yeah, that's going to be my evening. So it looks like my dinner is here. So let's check it out and see. Good evening. Namaste. Good evening. Namaste. Oh my God, that looks so good. So that is Chef Roberto from Romano's, the legendary Romano's restaurant, who's doing a lovely Italian dinner experience for me in the room today. Yes. So I'm hanging out with Chef Roberto of Romano's, whom you have seen on my Instagram feed many times because I love the restaurant, one of the best Italian restaurants in the city, and he's brought all his food up here for Ritu and me. Ritu, are you ready to dig into this Italian dinner?
Yes.
Okay, so Chef Roberto has made this lovely spread. I don't know, I'm going to show this to you guys. And this is really amazing because we can't go to Romano's right now, you bring Romano's to us. And I'm really looking forward to it. So I'm going to flip the camera when we sit down and have a nice Italian dinner and tell you what all is there. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
So guys, let me show you the meal that has come into my room. Okay, starting with bread. Of course, all Italian meals have to have some good bread and some lovely dip. There's butter and whatnot. There is some lovely ravioli. There is some homemade pasta. There is lamb. Oh my God, this looks so good. There are meatballs. There's burrata, the lovely iced tea, and finally the tiramisu. And of course, I'm having a lovely dinner date with one of my best friends, Ritu, whom I'm seeing after 7 months. Exactly on the 14th of March. We saw each other. Ritu, how does it feel to be spending your lovely time in this hall, in the hotel, chilling in a hotel room, enjoying room service?
You know what? Honestly, the first and most important thing is it's great to see you. But this feels like a luxury.
It's a luxury.
It feels like as if, someone has given you the biggest gift ever, because it's so, not what we've been used to the past 6 months. And this meal, it looks...
What's your favorite part about this meal? Now, what are you going to dig into? Are you going to start the tiramisu? You can't be digging into the tiramisu first. Let's listen to the chef and take his instructions and eat how we are supposed to eat.
Absolutely.
Guys, I'm sorry to disappoint, but I'm going to have to turn off the camera now because there's too much food behind and Ritu and I need to catch up. So catch you on the other side of dinner. So after 7 months of seeing one of my best friends, it's time to do this. Cheers! Cheers and enjoy. Can we talk about this pizza, guys? This is the Italian chef who knows that I love pizza has brought me some pepperoni pizza. I have eaten way too much for my own good and I am passed out. And Ritu is also eating her tiramisu. I'm gonna dig into my tiramisu now. So it's been a lovely day at the hotel today. I've spent some good quality time with my friend Ritu. She's just gone back home. We had a good Italian dinner. I'm feeling super full. Carb overload. Absolutely love my experience. And now curling into this hotel bed. After so many months, it feels so good to sleep in a bed that's not my own. And actually be in a nice, soft, cozy, comfy hotel bed. I'm gonna switch off my phone and just sleep for the next 8 hours. Hopefully catch up on some sleep till tomorrow morning. So good night, guys. Good morning, guys. I have woken up finally after like an epic 8-hour sleep. After like weeks and weeks, I've actually had an 8-hour sleep. I just opened the curtains, let the light in, otherwise I'd just be spending all morning sleeping and I don't want to do that. I'm gonna get up now, enjoy some room service breakfast, make myself a nice coffee to get up. Oof, I feel so relaxed. As you can see, this is not the best appearance that I'd like to have for my YouTube video, but I'm gonna just show you. So guys, this is my breakfast spread. Let me show you what. So starting with some chai, there's juice, there's onion uttapa, there's omelette, there's some cheese, salmon, bacon and sausage. Oh my god, there's baked beans, there's croissant, there's sambar chutney. Oh, I can't wait to dig into it. So I'm gonna show you the balcony. Let's go out onto the balcony. I am just spending my lazy morning in the room. As you can see, I was shooting some YouTube videos. I brought my tripod actually because I can do some different backgrounds, because otherwise all the YouTube videos that I've been shooting have only been with my house background. So I decided to bring the tripod along so I could shoot a couple of videos in the room with a different background. And as you can see, I've had so much tea coffee already. Lazing in the couch, so nice. So I'm sitting here on the private terrace of my suite at the hotel, and so I've shown you pretty much everything that I've done during the day. I've spent one night here, and I thought I'd just come here to kind of tell you about my initial impressions of checking into a hotel after almost 7 months. It felt really good. It's the new normal, guys. Let me just adjust this camera a little bit. It's the new normal. So obviously I showed you all those sanitization process and everything. The room is thoroughly sanitized and everything. So what I really loved most about the whole experience was the Italian dinner. So this whole staycation. Oh look, there's a nice plane flying. One more reason why I love staying at this hotel or any airport hotel is because I can hear and see the planes. I don't know when I'm going to take a plane anytime soon, but anyway, the point is I love the whole Italian staycation experience. So the dinner that I had from Romano's yesterday was amazing. Oh my god. So the fact that they actually come here and bring that Romano's meal experience and lay it out into your room, and the breakfast that I got this morning, it's really nice. It's a great way to kind of showcase your product, give you a different experience rather than just regular in-room dining. I think that was really amazing for me. And then of course, most importantly, the perks of staying at a hotel, like, you know, just sleeping for hours and hours in the room and not having to worry about it waking up or like making your breakfast or anything. It was all ready, and then the bathtub, and you know, just like chilling in the AC all day. I just loved my experience. I'm gonna go pack my bags and check out and go home, back to reality. Guys, I hope you like this vlog of my day, my first day at a hotel after 7 months. I'm gonna look forward to hearing your comments, so please do leave me a comment if you've liked this. I'd love to hear from you on what you think I should make any more videos or anything. In the meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. So leave me a comment. Until my next video, stay safe, guys.